MGM game, man. What up, man? You got them, I don't know what to call these. NMDs, I think. I don't know. Well, I need some Adidas. I have football practice. We was watching film. I had football practice. We was watching film, and I didn't know we was gonna be running. We ran around the baseball field 6 times. I didn't know we was gonna be running. I put these on. I didn't want these in a minute. Like, look, they some beat us. Yes, easy. But I'm finna restore it through some creep. From the snack. I'll see them. They beat up. Finna get straight to it. Alright, so y'all wanna get 3 skirts, some warm water. You don't need a lot. Let that brush sit in there for a minute. Take the shoestrings out. Them to the side. It should be nice and bubbly, soapy, as I mean. You did. All right. So y'all want to start with the bottom. Nice and clean. Y'all need a lot of soap. Nice and soapy. Go hard at the bottom though. Just stay at the bottom. You can leave that on on this mesh part. On the mesh part right here. Y'all need to go in a circular motion. Put a lot of soap on there. Circular motion. I kind of see like the mesh clean right now. Keep going over it. Keep going over it. If you want to, long circular motion. Like, you feel me? You don't gotta go like this. You can if you want to. You go like this if you want to, you feel me? Then grab the towel. Wipe it down. Do what you gotta do. Look at that. Let's see if this can get it off. Oh, can't be showing your knees, folks. Can't be showing your knees. I don't know. It's cool though, you feel me? It is what it is. It got the job done. If you ask me. Put the shoestrings in. Let them get nice and soapy. y'all, feel? Hey, done with the shoe. Feel me? You know, I didn't go overboard with it, throwing it in a washer, going all inside the tongue, you know, doing all the extra stuff. I barely wear these, you know. Wash these for the vid, you know, do it for the culture, you know. Easy. I don't know, I might start wearing these again. Low key look decent, I'm not gonna hold you. Let them air dry. But come on, can't tell me it didn't get the job done. It didn't get the job done. Come on, you know it did. Don't even lie to yourself. You feel me? Don't even lie to yourself. Even, you know, that's basically the vid, you know. Just wanted to do it for the culture. Quick vid in. Always gonna be like a little quick, a little that. You know what I'm saying? That's the vid. Might start wearing these again, like I said. Who knows? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. These still some beaters. These some beaters. I'm gonna let them air dry. I'm gonna bring it back to y'all when the air dry. It still look wet. It will still look dirty. But it's just wet. You feel me? I put a lot of soap and water right here. As you see, that's what was messed up at. I'm gonna come back to y'all, you know, when they air dry. But I wanted to get it done right now. You know. Hey, crap. That's what people tell me, crap. Creep. I don't know. But sponsor me, man. I'm looking for a sponsor, you know. Hey, you know, I see like the bristles coming off though. But it is a good product. It is good. That's the vid. Peace out.